I will just give you 2 points. Point number 1 is that the ruling party in Burundi and the opposition parties and the civil society have agreed to negotiate intensively and continuously and expeditiously in order to reach an agreement. That's number 1. Number 2, in the past, the government has extended the dates for elections in order to allow the negotiations. But unfortunately, there was a problem of the mediator who was not acceptable to all the sides. So some of the time for mediation was lost. But they have now agreed to expeditiously move in order to make up for that lost time. That's all I would like to say, and I will say no more. I thank you very much. And if you ask me questions, I will refer you to my 2 points. So there's no point in asking questions. Because there's nothing additional I will add on. Not that I don't have what to add on, but the time for that has not come. In Kirundi, we have got what we call, what do you call, when you dish the food, okwihura. When you dish it out of the saucepan. Kwarura. Now we cannot kwarura. In our dialects there in Uganda we call them okwihura. We cannot kwarura food which is not ready, because it will cause indigestion. Do you want indigestion, daughter? Indigestion, you want indigestion? Oh! she wants, let me see, but I cannot give you an improperly cooked food. It must be cooked properly, then we dish it out. That's what I was telling you, that I don't want to talk what we have talked here in confidence. Whatever we have talked about is among us. It's not for the newspapers until we kwarura after they have finished the cooking. Merci beaucoup.
Have you been in contact from Bujumbura with the opposition outside of the country?
No, me, I have not got. I have got opposition. They are all here. I talked. If they're outside the country, we shall look for them. We can even go in the forest and look for them. That's not a big problem for me. They will be the ones to give us the timetable. How fast they can finish. It will depend upon them. I'm going to send our minister, Dr. Kionga, to be here permanently. Tomorrow he will arrive here. Because me, I'm a bit busy. I can't continuously stay here. But our minister will be here, and the elders are here. Dr. Kionga, the Minister of Defense, he's an old man. He's an old hand in negotiations. An old hand. Okay, merci beaucoup.
Ben de You have put that meat through